This chronic carrier state occurs in the typhoid. ಟೈಫಾಯ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ಸು ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್, गलत है क्या?
ऐसा रखा बैठे
ध्यान रखना.
दो बुकन भी खा गलत है यदि हाँ रखा बड़ा बराबर आता इधर पीछे कर जरा जूम आउट करो.
नेक्स्ट इज इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड.
नाना ने तो बोर्ड है बस से
What is the incubation period? The incubation period is the successful entry of the microorganisms into the body and appearance of the first clinical symptoms is called the incubation period. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಗಜೀವಿಗಳು ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ರೋಗ ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರುವ ದಶೆನೂ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಕ್ಯುಬೇಷನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. The incubation period will depends upon so many factors. One is the resistance of the host. Second is the entry of the organisms into the body. The incubation period is differ from one disease to another disease, and the incubation period is differ from one person to another person. This is the incubation period. Next question is biological transmission. What is the biological transmission? Bios means living. Transmission means spread of the disease. So with the living things, disease will spread from one person to another person. This biological transmission will have the three parts. One is propagative. First is propagative. Second is cyclopropagative. Third is cyclodevelopment. So here we have to remember 3 points in the biological transmission of the disease. Bios means living, transmission means spread of the disease with the living organisms. Propagative means it is the multiplication of the organisms. Here it will take only multiplication. This is a good example is plague bacilli in rat flea. Next is cyclopropagative. Here multiplication will take place and also the stages of the parasite will be changed. That is, one stage to another stage, this will be changed. Here you have to remember on multiplication and change. This is good example is malaria parasite. Third is cyclodevelopment. Here only the parasite will be developed. The good example is microfilaria in the filariasis. Now coming to the fourth question, typhoid Mary. What is this typhoid Mary? It is a very interesting answer for you. Typhoid Mary. Mary is the name of the woman, or she has worked in a restaurant. She is a chronic carrier of the typhoid. During her life period, she spread nearly 1,250 cases to others, and also 25 deaths has been occurred with the typhoid. Hence she has been named as the typhoid Mary. Picture
तुम्हारा फिर सारा था.
Next is zoonosis. Here you have to remember zoonosis. What is the zoonosis? Z-O-O-Zoonosis. N-O-S-I-S. Z-O-O-Zoo means animal, nosis means diseases. This is zoonosis means the diseases of the vertebrate animals transmitted to the man. Diseases of the vertebrate animals. ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆನ್ನು ಮೂಲೆ ಇರೋ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಂದ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಬರೋ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಜೂನೋಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಜಡ್ಬೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ, ನೋಸಿಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ zoonosis means this is the disease of animals transmitted to men are called the zoonosis. Here for zoonosis, you have to give the classification of the zoonosis. Zoonosis has been classified as a virus, bacterial, parasital and rickettsial. You have to give the 4 classification. One is the viral. Viral means that is by virus. The good example, rabies that has been caused by the bite of the mad dog is called the rabies and yellow fever. Bacteria. That is the bacteria means through milk, through cattle milk, the bacteria will be spread. That is the second example. Third is parasites. Parasites like the Taenia solium, that is the beef tapeworm and pork tapeworm and fish tapeworm that causes the disease. Last is the rickettsial pox. The rickettsial pox includes ticks, disease of the ticks, that is Murran typhus, tick typhus, relapsing fever and the Q fever. This is the brief about the zoonosis. If you, depending upon the marks of the question, you have to answer this zoonosis. Another point in the zoonosis is prevention and control of the zoonosis. This you have to write depending upon the marks of the question. If the question is asked for 3 marks, you have to write. If the question is asked for the 5 marks, you have to write the prevention and control of the zoonosis. Next is pandemic. Here you have to remember it is a combination of the 2 words, PAN, pan. Pan means all. Demos means people. Pandemic means it is a disease that is transmitting from one country to another country, one nation to another nation, and also from the one continent to another continent. That means the disease will be spread throughout the world. Now running, the good example is COVID-19 is the pandemic of the 2020. Next is endemic. What is the meaning of the endemic? EN means in. ENN means in. Demos means population. Endemic means this is the disease that is occurring throughout the year in a particular geographical year. What is the geographical area? That means in a limited area, the disease will occur from January to December. The good example is malaria. Malaria is a disease that will be always occurring in certain geographical areas. So this is about your questions and explanation for 23/7/20, second paper, second year, third paper. Thank you. Again we will meet tomorrow. Huh? Okay. You please subscribe and like, share.